Locsin, makakadraw siya talaga ng double at may malilibre.
Paulaba. Tinago ng bola papalabas. And Patrick Fran responds with a 3-point shot from PLDT long distance range. Oli Locsin, ito, he has to get going. Side steps, umatake, nabangga sa ibabaw. No foul call. Patrick Fran, pabandang tira. Patrick Fran has 4 points. At ngayon, 13 puntos. Patrick Fran with a second steal of the ball game is to lead all scorers dito sa ating ball game.
Maganda intensity talaga.
By Fran. Fran completes the steal with a layup. And still, itong kumunan ng Ginebra ay hindi pa nakaka-break sa double-digit barrier. 20.
Para sa mga Pilay, ha?
Open is Patrick Fran. And he loves to take a shot from the outside. 14 points, his second from PLDT long distance range.